Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to legit check your sneakers using mobile app quickly and accurately. Stick around till the end, especially if you're into sneaker reselling or just want peace of mind. Let's jump right in. First, open up the App Store or Google Play and search for an app called Legit App. Download it and sign up using Apple, Facebook, or Google, whatever easiest for you. Once you're in, head over to the token store. You'll need to buy some legit tokens. These are used to submit legit checks. Pick a plan that fits your needs and you're all set. Next, follow the photo guidelines provided in the app carefully. Tap on sneakers under the categories. Select your brand and then exact model of the shoes you want to check. Now choose how to fast you want your result. There are different turnaround times based on how urgent it is. It's time to take photos, 12 in total, from different angles. Make sure to get both sides of the shoe, that heel, outsole, top, back of the insole, inside stitching, and that tongue also used or include in the box stamp and box label. But if you don't have the box, just select no box. Once your photos are ready, upload them along with your legit check request. Now, here's where the magic happens. Your submission goes through expert authenticators and AI analysis in a short time. You'll get a notification with the result. Your shoes will either be marked as authentic or replica. If they are legit, you'll even get a digital certificate or authenticity, perfect for keeping records or reselling with confidence. And that's it. Now you know how to legit check your shoes using an app in 2025. Fast, easy, and reliable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tools. Catch you in the next one.